हैप्पी दीपावली गाइस हैप्पी दीपावली गाइस बट क्या आपको ये बात पता थी कि अगर अगर मैं दीपावली की प्रिपरेशन किस दिन से चालू है? चाइना में तो मार्च से चल रहा है बिकॉज तो हम जो फटाके फोड़ते हैं दे आर मेनली एक्सपोर्टेड बाई चाइना टू अस. सो व्हेन इंडियंस आर सेलिब्रेटिंग देयर फेस्टिवल चाइना इज रियली मेकिंग मनी आउट ऑफ इंडियन पॉकेट्स. और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ये बात बोल बोल के थक गया कि फटाके फोड़ना इज़ नॉट एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ दीपावली. आप ये बात कब समझोगे? हाँ, India was an agrarian economy to begin with, and mid-September to mid-October is the time when kharif crops are usually harvested. And when you are a farmer who have worked so hard whole year, and now when the crops are finally harvested, what do? You buy stuff and also pray for Lord Lakshmi, who is goddess of wealth and prosperity and abundance, and what not. This is first PG of Anandana, where I live, Sri Ram PG. और क्योंकि श्री राम न मिलेंगे हनुमान के बिना, he manages another PG called Vayuputra, and there was where we celebrated our Lakshmi Puja. In northern part of India, राम ने रावण को दशहरा के दिन मार दिया था और he was returning to अयोध्या, so सभी लोग दीप जला के उनका वेलकम कर रहे थे. In southern part of India, कृष्णा ने नरकासुर को मार दिया था, तो इसलिए हम लोग दिवाली मनाते हैं. और बिजनेस ट्रेडिशन वाले दिवाली इसलिए मनाते हैं क्योंकि दिवाली इज़ द बिगनिंग ऑफ न्यू फाइनेंशियल ईयर फॉर देम. और जैन वाले इसलिए मनाते हैं क्योंकि 24 तीर्थंकर महावीर को इसी दिन कैवल्य मिला था. This festival brings all of us together. And you know, when there are so many divine reasons which wants us to come together, the festival is going to be amazing. And when it comes to the ban of firecrackers, judiciary can't do anything because lawmaking is exclusive domain of legislature. Judiciary can surely release a judicial ordinance, but उसके ऊपर फिर से legislature का voting होता है
कि मेरा एरिया है और एरिया में कोई भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं करना. ओके.
And since democracy represents will of people, and where people themselves they don't believe in things like air quality index, do you think there will be any effective solution for this? Welcome to the biggest democracy of the world. अब सुनते डेमोक्रेसी कैसे काम करता है. It is believed that goddess Lakshmi love to reside where cleanliness is maintained. I mean that is the reason why we clean our houses the most. And we are like, आइए लक्ष्मी जी, देखिए मेरा घर कितना क्लीन है. Why don't you come here? Why don't you shower your blessing over us? And I ask the question, isn't the entire earth our home? I mean, according to scriptures they are. So who will take the responsibility of cleaning earth? And maybe Lord Lakshmi overheard me. And guess what happened the next day? It rained. It rained heavily. It rained the whole day until the lake park beside my PG started flowing like this. And the green water started mixing with the brown water. Climate emergency exists for real, guys, and we are just one Thanos snap away from getting extinct from this planet. And hey, I don't want to act too high and mighty, cause tomorrow I might fall down on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.